Hey, what is up? What is up? Happy holidays, people. We just finished Halloween here. Wanted to make a quick video here today to talk about my daily driver. We all seen the 2020 GT500, 2013 GT500 in action over the years. One of the unsung heroes in my driveway has always been my daily driver. Used a 2022 Model 3 standard range for a couple of years and over 40,000 miles. And I felt like that was probably the best commuter car I've ever had. So when it came time to upgrade, and as the prices started coming down on the Model S Plaid, used car prices, I decided to pull the trigger. So check this out. This is the pre-refresh, so it's still a 2022, early 2022 Model S Plaid Tesla in the driveway. Say hi to the wife's Model Y long range. This is awesome. I've got big kids, they sit in the back, they are able to fit really well in it. But this is the 2022 Model S Plaid. It's got the 21-inch arachnid wheels on them. I put the badge on there myself. It's got the carbon fiber spoiler. It's all dirty from the rain. It's my daily driver, so it's going to see a lot of dirt. Check this thing out. Not a bad way to start your daily commute, isn't it? I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. Oh, you're a great architecture. I figured today was probably the best day to do a quick 6130 pull on this thing, just to kind of measure what it does. Obviously, I have no idea on how to mod this, so this remains stock. May be able to go to a smaller 19 or 20 inch wheel if I can source it. A used market. Model S Plaid, standard black interior. It's got the little wood finishing on it, which I would have loved to have carbon fiber, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. This car came at a good price. I decided to pull the trigger. Also, it'd be really cool to find out, how does this thing hold up after this thing now has 28,000 miles on it. So we're gonna do some 0 to 60 130 pulls, 0 to 60. Let's all head out to Mexico and see what we can do. Here you go. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the fastest I have gone, 60 to 130. I'm sure it has more in it. I just gotta figure out the settings and state of charge and all that fun stuff. But it's fast enough, for a daily driver going to work using zero gasoline. It's definitely a solid performer, and there really is no maintenance. I mean, I'm looking at the maintenance schedule on this thing. Except for lubing the brakes and tires, I really don't have to do much to this car, so that's great. So anyway, if you guys have a chance to pick one of these up or even drive it, try it out. It's got great room for the family. Looks like the prices are significantly cheaper on the used car market, so I would say go for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.